Okay, so stay out of the way.
Yeah, you want to have one hand on the straps maybe, but you can actually let go. You can open your arms, do whatever you want, as long as you don't touch the cable.
Okay. And does it matter which side of the cable that I'm on? Left, right?
No.
Okay.
Do you want to wear the glove, or would it be easier without?
No, I'm okay with the glove. Yeah. I'll just, make sure it doesn't come out. And like that. Perfect. Yeah, it's already going. All I have to do is hold on to it.
You want to sit on the edge and feel like that?
Okay.
You'll go when you say you're ready.
Okay, ready whenever.
Okay, go.
Sweet.
Go.
Oh! Yep. No, you grabbed?